Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a backup of your Trust Wallet to protect your cryptocurrency assets, follow these step-by-step instructions to secure your recovery phrase safely. Step 1. Open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and ensure you're using the latest version from the official App Store. Step 2. Tap on Settings in the bottom right corner of the screen, then select Wallets to view your active wallets. Step 3. Choose the wallet you want to back up and tap the information icon or 3 dots next to it to access wallet settings. Step 4. Select Show Recovery Phrase or Backup Wallet option. You may need to enter your passcode or authenticate with biometrics for security. Step 5. Write down your 12-word recovery phrase exactly as displayed on paper. Never take a screenshot or save it digitally, as this creates security risks. Step 6. Verify your recovery phrase by entering the words in the correct order when prompted by the app to confirm you've recorded it accurately. Step 7. Store your written recovery phrase in multiple secure locations such as a fireproof safe, safety deposit box, or with a trusted family member. Step 8. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Trust Wallet support will never ask for it, and anyone with this phrase can access your funds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.